Okay, so I'm in process of installing the Mangoal dash camera. Look at their video on YouTube for the CX-70, as they say. But that video looks nothing like how my car is set up. Okay. The wires in the dome here are all different. And I have one there facing out and that one facing out. With there's one that's kind of hard to get to, which I'm thankful that mine isn't hard to get to. But now these identical plugs. So I gotta guess which one is the right one or the correct one. And I'm gonna guess the one over here on the passenger side is correct because there's a lot of wires coming out of it, like their cable, like their Y cable. So I'm gonna plug it in on that side and hope for the best. Okay, it's working. So that's the right plug. I'm recording this on my iPad because my phone is occupied, as you can see. Download the app, put the code in. Now it's got to button everything up, put the memory card in there, put the screws back on here. So right there, the one on the right side is the proper plug for the 2025 CX-70. I have the Turbo Premium. But a Turbo S Premium. So I don't know which car exactly they used on the instructions, but mine doesn't look like theirs. So I don't know how many variations is different underneath there, but that's mine. All right. Okay, the front camera is all buttoned up. Cable right here for the rear camera. Looking very, very factory. Okay. Now let's run this rear camera cable. Quick update. Just finished muscling that through there. Tried to fish it with a screwdriver. That didn't work. So I just had to muscle it. But everything is clean, no wires. Everything is tucked nice and neatly. Up to the front camera. All right. Keeping this factory clean as I can. Okay, that's it. The Mangoal dash cam for the Mazda CX-70 installed, clean as I can possibly get it. Wires are tucked. Not seeing anything there. All right through the headliner to the front camera. I'll show you that in a minute. Make it look stock as possible. Wires are going through there. Pulled them out. It was hell getting them through there, but got them through. Okay. It's on there with the tape that's included, which looks like a good tape, so I should be okay. All right. Again, here's the front-facing camera. Built in the molding, so it looks factory. .4K. Light flashing means it's recording. You can see the quick snap, or snapshot button, and the power button on the side. Other side houses the memory card slot. I mean, I wish they would have hit it better than that, but it is what it is. There's no monitor for this camera. You have to open their app, use their app. You can view the recorded footage through the app, or you can have a live view through the app. I'm using my phone right now, so I'm gonna switch over to my iPad so I can show you the app. Okay, here's the app. There's the front view. Now I flip this little button right here. There's the rear camera. Now, my rear window is factory tint with 5% on top of that. I wanted my back windows blacked out so nobody can see inside the back of the vehicle. So this is daytime, looking through factory and limo tint. So yours will be a lot lighter because you only have the factory tint. So that's the rear, back to the front. Like I say, crystal clear. You hit the landscape view. Landscape view rear. That line right there, that's the windshield defrosters. That's the lines in the window. Okay. You can stop it. You can also check out what's on the memory card. And it's a WAV file, so you can download it straight to your phone or whatever. I guess whatever iOS or Android device you have, you can download it straight to the device. I mean, I kind of wish they had a live screen, but I can always use my phone too if I want. If I really needed a live screen in the back. But that's it. Peace.